Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off smart downloads on Netflix app. So to do this, you have just to go to Netflix. Of course, you should have an account on Netflix. After that, go to your profile. And after that, click on My Netflix on the bottom right of the screen. After that, go to Downloads. And as you can see, there is an option called Smart Download. Click on it. And here you can deactivate it by deactivating the first option, which is Download Next Episode, and the second option, which is Downloads for You. So like that, you can turn off smart downloads on Netflix. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you.